Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2018 Lincoln MKZ Premier. This has the 2.0 liter turbo all-wheel drive, and honestly, it's actually a really good car. Now, if you look at the front grille, look, these gaps, they're all the silhouette of the Lincoln logo. I noticed that when I just stepped out of the car. Like, hey, that's pretty cool. Under this mirror here, this is a Lincoln illumination puddle light that appears right here, that at night when you unlock the car, the Lincoln logo is in a Lincoln silhouette that's lit up all right here. The back of the door handles is lit up by a light, so this all glows. It looks great. Love the rear of this car. It just looks. This car is, appearance-wise, it's actually a very nice looking car. Why are you not retracting? I think it's stuck, so it's not a big deal. That's fine. Leave it as is for now. I'll take care of it when I get back. Push button start and your gears. Heated seats, paddle shifters. Alright, so when you put it in drive, you'll notice blue rings illuminate. It's comfort. That's how you get to sport mode. We'll drive it in comfort for now. Steering wheel, very, very nice, leather wrapped. Feels great. I love the airbag cover, which, please stay in place. So if I'm not mistaken, I believe this is on the same platform as the Fusion, and I've spent a good amount of time in Fusions, and it definitely drives similar but different. Put it down into sport mode. Six-speed automatic. Paddles behind the wheel. One thing I noticed about the 2-liter turbo, all the torque is very down low, especially in this car. I'm not sure if they did tuning differently, but it's a very, very low down torque. So when you're cruising on the highway and just roll, that's where I feel like it makes the most power, which honestly in this application works perfectly because this is a luxury car. You don't want to have to dig for power. This is a comfortable cruising car. Although handling wise, it's actually pretty impressive. Look at that. You actually have a good amount of storage underneath that center floating console. I like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.